Instead of bread, the mine brought death to their home. He was supposed to go with his father tomorrow to buy school supplies. But now, he stands in grief, mourning the loss of his father and witnessing his mother's sorrow. Another tragic incident occurred in Iran's coal mines. This time, an explosion deep underground in the Tabas coal mine, located in Karakan province, claimed the lives of over 50 workers. At the time of the explosion, 70 workers were working in the mine. According to mine workers, they often work in dangerous conditions, including wearing broken helmets and turning off ventilation systems to save energy. This creates a high risk of explosions, as methane gas can ignite easily, similar to a gunpowder depot. Unfortunately, these tragedies occur frequently in Iranian coal mines. Many of the workers in the Tabas mine were from impoverished families who had migrated to the region from other parts of Iran. These workers, of various ages, were forced to endure harsh conditions to provide for their families. One of the victims, Farhad Pirzadeh, was a law graduate from Firdousi University of Mashhad who worked for a meager daily wage of €6. A particularly heartbreaking aspect of this tragedy is that the workers had alerted mine officials to a strong gas smell on the morning of the disaster. However, to their dismay, the officials responded by threatening to fire them if they refused to work. The authorities of the Mullah regime acknowledged this incident and stated that any form of protest against the difficult working conditions in the mine would result in immediate dismissal. Following initial investigations, it was discovered that even the warning systems and sirens were entirely malfunctioning and damaged. The Iranian government has complete control over these mines, and their key officials are members of the Revolutionary Guards and Basij forces. As a result, the new government has claimed that no violations occurred, and that the disaster was merely an unfortunate incident. Despite working under extremely arduous conditions, often at depths of 1,000 meters and in circumstances that surpass the hardships faced by ancient slaves, Iranian mine workers are deprived of all basic rights. In addition to lacking the standard equipment and safety measures found in mines worldwide, they also face wage theft and have their protests ignored. These workers are constantly threatened with dismissal without receiving their due compensation.